We have prepared this morning. We have cooked that actually with our own hands today. And alhamdulillah, after cooking, we packed it up, loaded it in the truck, and now we are here to deliver all this food to these needed people behind you, inshallah. As you can see, we got 2 pack of naan, there's a rice, there's a curry, there's a vegetable curry and chicken inside as well. There's a dates, laban, yogurt, and some sweet, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakallah khair for your donation. You've been given to us and we are delivered to your donation to these needed people. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.